What's in the bag?
Mieke Janssens. Wow. It's crystal. Dragon.
That's smooth too.
Oh, it's magnetic. It's a nice box. So here's the book. There's a magic mirror. Magic mirror.
Just flip that over a little bit.
Okay.
That's what you got. No, yeah, it looks pretty
Oh, wow. Look at every single one. Wow, that's beautiful.
nice. No story? Oh.
Yeah. Nice. Wow, look at that. Oh, the artwork's amazing.
Oh, cool. Okay. So it explains
So
a
it
lot.
explains a lot. The meaning, the advice. They give you a lot of description.
Okay,
Wow,
let's
very nice.
open that up. Even have a picture on the bottom.
Wow, that's very detailed.
Okay, so is that the front? So I guessing this is the back.
That's the back, yeah.
Ah, okay.
Beautiful. Very beautiful artwork. Wow. And it's a traditional Rider-Waite's description. That's a hangman. Wow, what is
That's
that?
colorful.
Wow,
That's
this
the
is,
death.
isn't that beautiful? That's what death should be.
This is the most nicest death card I ever saw.
Wow, I like it.
Oh my god, okay, that's the best because every time.
Yeah, they always interpret death as negative. See, even the devil wasn't all bad. Yeah.
Okay, so if you like wizards,
Oh,
Harry
the
Potter.
tower. Yeah.
This one actually fit.
Oh, it's like
nice.
actually shows that everything has even a positive side. Yeah.
Oh, that's
This
kinda
is
true.
the judgment.
See, colors matter.
Well, that's oh, they use the color very magically. Ah. Uh-oh. Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
That's very nice.
Isn't that kind? Just go like that and then just put it
Yeah,
on.
put in the right. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just go. Good colors.
Wow, beautiful. It's nice. Pentacles. Wow, that's very magical. Six of Cups. Six of Wands. Swords. That looks like Harry Potter. Wow. Wow, this one is nice. Wow, so magical.
I have to put a counter there to match it. That was a cover picture.
Wow, look at this.
I'm gonna load this on
Whoa. That's beautiful.
top.
Oh, I like this one. The celebration of three girls, Three of Cups.
Oh,
Oh, this one's magical. Pentacles. Wow, that's very happy. Page of Wands. Just beautiful. Oh, it looks like Snow White. Oh, she's pretty. Queen of Swords. Oh, Queen of Pentacles. I like her. The rainbow. That's the King of Wands. King of Cups. King of Swords. King of Pentacles. Cups, two of Cups. Oh, that's cute.
I think it's beautiful too. Oh, look
Oh,
at
that's beautiful. Wow. King of Cups. Knight of Swords. Oh, I love this one. Page of Pentacles. Oh, she's awesome. Queen of Wands. King of Pentacles. Wow, beautiful, beautiful artwork. Amazing.
I don't know if you pass some of these. God, oh, never.
Oh, I didn't see this one.
It fell down, sorry, people.
Mm.
Ah, I can tell justice. It's pretty nice because sometimes it's not in your face, so it's on the
It's
bottom.
all abstract. It's
Yeah,
interpretation.
but at least it gives you more stuff to play with sometimes. So
I like this one.
yeah, one of the most nice death cards.
That's a beautiful way to
Yeah,
interpret death.
yeah, because it's like a new beginning.
Well,
and
death
they
is
get,
not the ending. Yeah, it's always
so
a new beginning.
together, or like almost like,
It's a beginning of lights.
Oh.
What's that?
The moon.
The moon. Oh.
That's interesting.
Oh,
That's
she's
nice.
beautiful.
Star.
Star.
Okay, we saw it.
She's pretty.
Okay, I think we got
Yeah. Oh, I didn't see her.
the
world.
So she could go anywhere. And one thing about these cards, you can really.
It's very beautiful. You can really interpret
So if you're doing any reading or anything, I mean, you can just look at something, right? But then there's so extra
much
detail, so you
see,
can
yeah.
maybe you just see this coming out, or you see the other side. It doesn't have
I'm
to.
gonna show this to my friends. They're gonna love it. Because when you just look at the box, you don't know how beautiful it is.
You can tell the
You kind
art.
of tell, but
To show, so here's a good thing. Okay, it's a nice cover. Nice cover. I can see the
nice box.
I can see the design, so I know the art is there. And I can.
Well, if you put the cards inside, you see the energetic of the crystal and the dragon on top, and the sword is guarding the cards. So, because when you use tarot cards, it's supposed to connect to your own spirit, and you need to treat it with respect. And this is like guarding it. It's really nice, well thought out. Yeah, guarding your cards.
So put them in.
And then you have the book.
That's what's all inside.
The miracle book.
So that's one more thing for people. When you guys making your cards, this is important. Show your artwork on the back. A lot of you guys just show the front and then you can't tell. This is nice. You can see the illustration and stuff. But sometimes you get this and then you go inside. It's like somebody else's artwork inside. Very important to show your cards. And just by seeing what's inside, you guys didn't even show your best cards either. So there's all this variety, but there's a lot of nice cards in there. Show your best cards. People are looking at the box and they don't see anything. They know why should I buy it? Yeah. Some boxes I looked at, I don't see the artwork in the back. There's another one that somebody didn't even give me as a gift. I probably wouldn't have got it, even though the cover was nice, but the artwork inside, I don't know. Anyway, if this grabbed your attention, you can check this out. This is at Barnes and Nobles. It's pretty new. I never saw it before. So, yep. And if you like this kind of content, I can put more up. I love art, so I like looking at things artistic and get inspiration. Doesn't matter what it is, yeah. You can also get ideas from cards or ideas. Maybe you just like the artwork. Maybe you like Harry Potter or you like butterflies or anything, yeah. So these are a nice way to have a little collection in a small little area. It doesn't take too much space. Okay.
So long.
What a wonderful world.